Hi guys, my name is K. Srinivasrao, Senior Mathematics Lecturer in Narayana Group. Now, I am going to explain you the JEE mains paper conducted on 29th first shift. So, these are the questions collected from the students by memory. So, there may be few changes in numericals and answers may be there. Okay, let us start with first question. So, this is the question given by functional equation is given and to find the some summation. So, the given functional equation, standard functional equation, which f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, then f of x can be so some ax, okay, as f of 1 is equal to 1 by 5 is given, f of 1 by 5 equal to a. So, this implies we will get a is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Now, come to the question, then sigma n is equals to 1 to m f of n by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to 1 by 12 is given. So, this implies, this gives, so f of n equal to 1 by 5 into n. So, 1 by 5 sigma n is equals to 1 to m. So, n will get cancelled, we will get the 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2, which is equals to 1 by 12. So, by applying the sigma value, what we will get simply is 1 by 5 into, if you take that is first one, n is equal to 1 means, so this can be written as 1 by 5 sigma n is equals to 1 to m 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. So, by applying the sigma n is equal to it is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 and so on minus 1 by m plus 2. So, is equals to 1 by 12. Okay. So, this will 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus plus 1, everything will get cancelled. So, we will get 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by m plus 2, which is equal to 1 by 12. So, by solving this, we will get m is equals to 10. Okay, 10 is the answer for this question. Okay, next moving to next question. So, here one more circle question is given, a point, b point on the circle, and the tangent drawn at a and b intersect at c. Find the radius of the circle touching AB having center at c. Okay. So, little bit I think little bit lengthy question. Okay, we will draw the figure. So, this is the given circle. Okay. So, 2 points were given. So, the point A is 4 comma minus 11. The point B is equals to, that is 8 comma minus 5. So, 2 tangents were drawn at this point. Okay, they intersect at C. So, this is the chord AB. So, this is the center of circle and this is the radius. So, the question is the circle with center which touches the chord AB. That means the center, if you draw the chord, it touches like this. So, that if you join these 2 points, yes. So, what is the center of the circle? Center is okay. What is the radius of the circle? So, r is equals to under root is 9 by 4 minus plus 25 plus 15. I think 40, 160, 169 by 4, it becomes 13 by 2, I think. So, radius of the circle is 13 by 2. Okay. Next, so the length of the chord AB is given as 8 minus 4, 16 and 636. So which is root 52, that is 2 root 13. So half of this part is given by root 13. Okay. So then this portion is given by, so by Pythagoras theorem, this is under root 13 169 by 4 minus 13. So which is root of 52, 117 by 4. So 13 9 are, so 3 root 13 by 2. So this portion we got it. So let us take it as O, and this is M, which is OM, this one. Okay. So now after this, they have drawn a circle with center C which touches the chord AB. That means what we have to find? So CM distance we need to find, right? Now see, suppose if I take this angle as theta, then automatically this is 90 minus theta, this is theta. Okay. So from this triangle OMA, what is cot theta? Cot theta is equals to adjacent side by, so then root 13 by, so 3 root 13 by 2. So then root, that is 2 by 3. So now from this we need to find the CM value, this length we need to find, which is the radius of the circle with center C which touches the chord AB. Okay, fine. Now 2 by 3, cot theta is 2 by 3. From this, let us take, this is CM, which is nothing but CM by root 13. So then CM is equals to 2 root 13 by 3. So that would be the answer for this question. Okay, fine, good question. Okay, I hope everybody understood this. Next question. 5-digit numbers are formed by using 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Repetition is allowed, and these numbers are arranged in decreasing order. Find the rank of 3, 5, 3, 3, 7. So generally, usually we will find the rank in increasing order. In dictionary order, we will get the increasing order, but here the question they have given reverse. So decreasing order means take the numbers. So order decreasing order take is 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have to make 5-digit number in the decreasing order, so that what is the rank of this number. So we are having 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So starting with 7. So remaining these 4 places can be filled by, repetition is allowed, no, remaining 4 digits, 5 into 5 into 5. So that was given by 5 power 4 ways. Next, after finishing this, we have to start with a 5. In decreasing order, next 5 is there. I used 5. So again these 4 places can be filled by the remaining 4, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 ways, because repetition is allowed given. So again this is also 5 power 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we have to start with 3. So already we need the number to get 3, 5, 3, 3, 7. So you fix it. Okay. Again we have to start with again 7. We started with 7. So again these 3 places can be filled in 5 into 5 into 5. So that was 5 cube base. Okay, 5 cube base. Next 3 already it was fixed. Next after 7 we need to take 5. So 3, 5 also we need to fix it, because we are getting the number slowly. So next again we have to start with 7. These 3 and 5 are fixed, we should not change them. So 1, 2, 3. So 7 So this is 2 places 5 into 5, 5 square ways. Okay. Next, so we got 3, 5. 3, 5, these two are fixed. After 7, we need to start with again 5. 1, 2. Again, this is 5 square ways. So next, 3 fixed already, 5 already fixed. After 5, we need to start with again 3. So we got a third number also, 3, make it fix. Okay, 3 fix. Now again, now 2 places are there. Again start with 7. So only one way, that is 5 ways. 1 place, remaining 5 ways. Next, 3, 5, 3 fixed. Again we start with 5. Again one blank is there. Again this can be filled with 5 ways because repetition is allowed. Next, 3 fixed, 5 fixed, 3 fixed. After 5 we need to take 3 again. Already 3 is there, we need to fix. Next, remaining, so automatically we need, obviously we will take it 7, that is 1 by 1. Okay, so this was 5 power 4, so 625. So again this was 625. 5 cube 125. This is 25. This is 25. This is 5, 5, 1. So this is 1250, 1250, 150, 1400, 1436, I think. 1436 will be the answer. Okay, so here what is the difference? Generally we will take the rank in increasing order. Now they have given decreasing order, as well as generally repetition is not allowed, but in this problem they have given repetition is allowed. So this is the approach. Okay, understood? Next, a function f of x is such that f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y minus 1. Okay, again functional equation is given and some data is given, f dash 0 is equal to then mod of f of minus 2 dash. So that to get that value we need to find the f of x value c. So this is the given functional equation. No, suppose if you take x equal to y equals to 0, then what we will get? F of 0 is equals to f of 0 plus f of 0 minus 1. So then f of 0 is equals to 1, right? So by the first principle of differentiation we are having one relation f dash x. So we have f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So by the given definition we can write this one as f of x plus f of h minus 1 minus f of x by h. So f of x will get cancelled. So then this is f of h minus 1 can be written as f of 0 by h minus 0, which is nothing but f dash 0, this one. So f dash 0 is given as 2, which is 2. So indirectly what we got? F dash x is equal to 2. So this implies f of x is equal to 2x plus c. Okay, so to get the c value, what the f of, we got the f of 0 is equal to 1, f of 0 is equal to 1, then c is equal to 1. So this implies 2x plus 1, since f of 0 is equals to 1, right? So then f of x equal to, we got f of x equal to 2x plus 1, fine. So then this implies f of minus 2. So f of minus 2 is equal to minus 4 plus 1, which is minus 3. So mod of f of minus 2 is equals to 3. So the answer is 3 for this question. Okay, so simple question only. Okay, next. If 3 consecutive coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus 2x whole power n are, they are given 3 terms, not terms, but coefficients are in the ratio 2:5:8 given. Okay, fine. So directly, so general term is given as NCR 2x power whole power r. Consecutive term means I am taking order in consecutive, I am taking NCR 2 power r is to NC r plus 1 2 power r plus 1 is to NC r plus 2 2 power r plus 2. So this is given as 2:5:8 they have given. 2:5:8. Now you take the ratio NC r plus 1 2 power r plus 1 by NCR 2 power r, which is given by 5/2. So NCR plus 1 by NCR, okay, n minus r by r plus 1. Here 2 power r plus 1 means 2 will be there, so it becomes 5/4. Okay, so similarly this one by this one, NC r plus 2 2 power r plus 2 by NC r plus 1 2 power r plus 1 is equal to, the ratio is given as 8/5. So again this is n minus of this one, n minus, so n minus r minus 1 by r plus 2 is equals to, again 2 will be there, 2 power r plus 1, 2 power r plus 2, this becomes 2 4 ja cancel, it becomes 4/5. So by solving these two equations, we will get n is equals to 8. So after that, finally after getting n value, then the middle term is dashed. They are asking the middle term. So when n is equal to 8, there exist 9 terms, out of which these terms, the middle term would be 5th term. So that what we have to find? 5th term. So T5 equal to 8C4 2x whole power 4. This is the middle term. Okay, according to the given question, middle term is like this. Okay, fine. Next question. So here some differential equation questions was given, very direct question. Okay, this is I think simple question only. So dy by y is equal to x plus 1 by x square. So then it was integral dy by y is equal to, this is integral of 1 by x plus 1 by x square dx. So this implies, what would you get? By taking log mod y is equal to log mod x minus 1 by x plus c. So then y is equal to e power log mod x minus 1 by x plus c. So now, and they have given y of 1 is equal to e, that means x equal to 1, then y equals to e. So then so what we are, directly you can write now x equals to 1, then limit extending to 0 f of x, this is f of x now. So directly this is nothing but f of x, now directly we can write c is some constant now, e power log mod x minus 1 by x plus c. So when x tends to 0, log x tends to minus infinity, even 0 plus they have given, 1 by x also tends to minus infinity. So minus infinity plus some constant c is there. So totally it was e power minus infinity. So e power minus infinity, then limit extends to 0 plus f of x is given by e power minus infinity equals to 0. So for this question 0 is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood this. Right. Next. Alpha, beta are the positive numbers. A is 3 by 3. So, some matrix question was given. A square is given and a power 4 is given. So, in which so unknown quantities alpha, comma, beta are there. I have to find them. Fine. So, a power 4, directly I am taking a power 4 value, they have given as a 21a plus beta I. Okay. So, this is nothing but a power 4 means a square into a square. So, a square value they have given 3a plus alpha I. So, 3a plus alpha I. So, by multiplying this is 9a square. So, 3a alpha, 3 alpha plus 6a alpha plus alpha square I. Again substitute the 9 into a square is there, no? A square, you substitute a square value 3a plus alpha I plus 6a alpha plus alpha square I. So, by taking this is nothing but 27 plus 6 alpha into a plus 9 alpha plus alpha square into I. So, by comparing with this 21a, so then 27 plus 6 alpha is equals to 21a. So, then 21, no? 21. So, from this alpha is equal to I think minus 1. Similarly, so 9 alpha plus alpha square, which is a beta. So, when alpha equal to minus 1, minus 9 plus 1 is equals to beta is equals to minus 8. So, alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equals to minus 8. Okay. So, a function is given f of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square plus 1. So, they have given options. I think it may be options correct or not. Generally, we will draw the graph. How to approach, I will explain you. So, they have given the questions are about 1 function or many to 1 function like this. So, when this kind of rational functions are given, you go for derivative. Then see, first of all, this is f of x equals to, by separating it is 1 plus 2x by x square plus 1. So, this implies f dash x is equals to, so it will become 0 x square plus 1 into 2x minus 2 only, no? 2 minus 2x into 2x by x square plus 1 whole square. So, this is 2x square minus 4x square. So, it is 2 minus 2x square by x square plus 1 whole square. So, right now we cannot tell whether it is strictly increasing graph or decreasing. F dash x, this is what is this f dash x. So, f dash x equals to 0. This implies x equal to, we will get plus or minus 1 I think. So, at plus 1 and minus 1, the graph has taken turning. So, if you draw the graph, it will be like this. So, where it has turning has made minus 1 and 1. So, because x square quotient is negative, you come with minus, plus, minus. So, f dash x graph, no, minus means the graph is decreasing there. Plus represent increasing. So, the graph is decreasing while it reaches minus 1 turned, again it is plus increasing till 1 and getting decreasing. So, this is the graph. So, according to the given at 0, this is the function when x equal to 0, 0 will be approximately here 0. So, this is 1. So, at 1 its value is 2. So, what happened? So, between 0 to infinity, 0 to 1 strictly increasing. So, 0 to 1 this is 1 function. 0 to infinity means this is increasing and decreasing means it will be not 1, it will be many to 1 function. Fine. So strictly increasing between 0 to 1. If the option is 0 to 1, the graph is 1, 1. But first option 0 to infinity was given. 0 to infinity means the graph is going up and coming down. We are getting many to 1 function, not 1, 1 function. So this is wrong. 1 to infinity is 1, 1 function only. 1 to infinity, what is at 1 it was taken turn, so that 1 to infinity graph is gradually decreasing graph, so that it's strictly decreasing now, so it is 1, 1. Again 2 to infinity, so 1 to infinity decrease, 2 to infinity also it is decreasing only. This is I think 2. So this is also correct option, this is also, okay, options might be wrong, but according to the graph, when the graph is strictly increasing, the function is 1, 1, or the graph is strictly decreasing, then also the function is 1, 1. But so according to the given option, these options may be something wrong. Memory based question means you have to understand. Okay, right. By this graph you can conclude the answer if the answers are right. Here right now this is right option and this is also right option. Okay, next. So if the real part of product of Z1, Z2 0, product of Z1 and Z2 is, that is real part of Z1, Z2 0. Okay, let us take two complex number. So Z1 is equal to x1 plus I y1, Z2 is equal to x2 plus I y2. So they have given real part of Z1, Z2. So real part of Z1, Z2 is equal to 0 implies when you are multiplying, when you will get real part x1, x2, this implies x1, x2, this I into I square minus y1, y2 is equals to 0. So this implies x1, x2 is equal to y1, y2. So one more condition was given, real part of Z1 plus Z2 also 0. So Z1 plus Z2 real part means it is x1 plus x2 equals to 0. So x1 is equal to minus x2. So then substituting this value in this, we will get a minus x1 square equal to y1 into y2. So that minus x1 square is a negative value, no? X1 square always positive, minus x1 square always negative. This implies, so y1, y2 must be some negative value less than 0. That means y1 and y2 having opposite in sign. Maybe according to the options you can choose the answer. Okay. So y1, y2, so they are imaginary parts of z1 and z2, they are opposite in direction. One is positive, other is negative. Okay, fine. Next. So this is progressions question, simple question only. So that A4, A6, we know that in geometric progression, general term is given by a into r power n minus 1. So that see, first condition a4 into a6 is equal to 9 is given. A4 means, let us take a into r cube, a into r power 5, r power 5 is equals to 9. So a square r power 8 is equals to 9. This is given one condition. Next, one more condition is given, a5 plus a7 is equals to 12. a5 means a r power 4 plus a r power 6 is equals to 12. So if I take a r power 4 common, 1 plus r square is equals to 12. Now by squaring, or because we are having the value a square r power 8 is equals to 9. So then by squaring on both sides this one, a square r power 8 is equal to 1 plus r square whole square equals to 144. Now substituting this one 9. So 9, so this plus 1 plus r square whole square. So 9 means 16. So 1 plus r square equals to 4. R square is equal to 3. So r is equal to plus or minus root 3. Now come to this, r square is equal to 3. So a square into r power 8 means it is 81, I think. 81 is equals to 9. so that a square is equal to 1 by 9, a is equals to 1 by 3. So we got a, the first term of GP, as well as common ratio is root 3. So finally what we have to find? A7 plus A9 is equals to, A7 means A into R power 6 plus R power 6 plus A into R power 8. So here A value is there and R value is there, substitute them and get the answer. Very simple question, everybody can do this. Okay, next. So now integration question, definite integral question. So little bit typical question, I think, okay, we will do it. So integral 0 to maximum of x square comma 1 plus step x. So to get this, we need to draw the graph between 0 to 2. So that x square is parabola, so this is parabola equation. So this is 0. Let us take it as this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, so this is the graph of x square between 0 to 1. So whereas at 2 it has a 4 value. Okay, fine. Next take step x function. When 0 to 1, step x value is 0, plus 1 is there. So it will be like this. Okay, next 0 to 1, 0. When 1 to 2, step x value is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 1 to 2, it will be like this. So exactly 1 to 2, the graph will be like this. But at 2, this value is 2, 4 now. So I think then it will be 2 at root 2, I think. Root 2 x square is 2. This is root 2. Okay, so 0 to 1 maximum graph is this one only. 1 to root 2 also this one only. Root 2 to 2 is upper graph, this is parabola. So then, so when the answer must be like this, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, what is this step x graph? This is 1 dx, okay, plus 1 to root 2. 1 to root 2 is, it is 2. Otherwise we can take the area only, no. This is 1 by 1 square. This would be, this length is root 2 minus 1, height is 2. So this was 1 plus, this is height, this is the area, no. 2 into root 2 minus 1. 2 into root 2 minus 1 plus next integral root 2 to 2. After root 2, the graph, see before this, this is below 1 plus step x graph is maximum more than this. But after root 2, then the hyperbola, the parabola graph is more. So this is x square dx. So that this is 2 root 2 minus 2. So 2 root 2 minus 1 plus this is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into x cube root 2 to 2. So 2 root 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 into root 2 whole cube means I think is 2 root 2 na. 2 root 2. So upper limit, no, 2 cube 8, sorry. Upper limit 2 cube 8 minus root 2 whole cube is 2 root 2. So simplify this, you will get the answer. So this is little bit, by drawing the graph only we can conclude. See, actually 0 to 1 clearly step x plus 1 is more. After that 1 to root 2 also step x is more. This is x square graph, this is 1 plus step x graph. After root 2 to 2, then this is the upper graph. So 0 to 1, this portion, 0 to 1 x dx, the area only, no, different integral area only. This is 1 unit square, 1. Next, this is a rectangle. So where this distance length is root 2 minus 1, height is 2, that is this one, and integrating root 2 to x square dx. So take LCM and we will get the answer. Next question. 4 apples are picked one by one without replacing from a bag containing 3 rotten and 7 normal apples. 3 rotten and 7. Let x be the number of rotten apples, find x bar vx. Okay. So random variable question, mean and variance we have to find. So that I think this is a little bit big calculation. Okay. So then finally let x be the number of rotten apples. Total apples. So from the basket, see, 4 apples are picked containing 3 rotten and 7 normals. Totally together 10 apples are there, of which 3 are rotten, 7 are normal. Okay. So x is the number of rotten apples. Fine. So we'll take the table. This is xi, this is pi. So when apple is drawn, there may be chance to get 0 rotten apples. That means getting this 4 normal apples. So 0 rotten apple, maybe 1 rotten apple, maybe 2 rotten apples, maybe 3 rotten apples. Okay. So 0 rotten apples, 4 were taken. So 4 were from totally 10 are there. There is no rotten apple. 7 have, so totally 4 are done. No, though. So all apples are normal apples only. This would be 7C4 by 10C4. Very big calculation. So next 1 rotten apple. Totally 4 were taken. No? 1 rotten apple means this is 3C1 into 7C3. 1 rotten means the remaining 3 are normal apples. So totally 10C4. Okay. Next 2 rotten. So 3C2 into 7C2 by 10C4. So 3C3 into 7C1 by 10C4. 10C4. Okay. So by calculate it takes much time, so that I am taking, you can calculate it now. So let us take it as P1 and this is P2 and this is P3 and this is P4. After calculate we will get something now. So mean, x bar means mean. X bar is equal to xi into pi. So 0 into P1 plus 1 into P2 plus 2 into P3 plus 3 into P4. So we will get some, what is the answer you are getting? That is a mean, that is x bar. Next then mu square variance Vx, they are asked. Vx is equals to sigma xi square minus xi square p of I minus x bar square. Already we got this answer. No, now we have to substitute. Xy is a 0 square into this one, 1 square into this one. So what we will get? 0 square into P1 plus 1 square into P2, okay, plus 2 square into P3 plus 3 square into P4 minus, so this is x bar square. Already we got this answer now. So you substitute these values, you will get the answer. So you can calculate it, but it takes much time. So that generally the procedure what I am telling, just try to understand this. Okay, fine. Next question. So this is the question, I think binomial theorem question. So this is something wrong, this one. I think from this x power 9 coefficient, from this x power 9 coefficient. they are equal, some typing mistake or something. This is also, I think this is also not correct. I think the answer, question must be alpha beta whole square, something is there. I have taken from question from other student, he told the same thing. Okay, fine. So this, from this general term is, you do write the, to find the x power 9 quotient or x power minus 9 quotient, we have to take the general term. What is the general term from this? First one, 11CR ax cube whole power 11 minus r 1 by beta x whole power r. So then it's 11CR a power 11 minus r x power 30. Okay, fine, we will write this one also. This is beta power minus r. So x power, this is 33 minus 3r minus r minus 4r. So to get x power 9 quotient, we can equate with 33 minus 4r is equals to 9. So from this, I think 33 minus 9, 24, 6, r is equal to 6, I think. R is equal to 6. So from this, then what is the term then? 11C6 a power 11 minus 6 a alpha something, maybe alpha this one. Okay, whatever it is. R is equal to beta power minus 6. So this is the x power 9 quotient from this. Next, from this x power minus 9 quotient, you take this 11ck ax whole power 11 minus k 1 by beta x cube whole power k. So from this, we have to find the x power minus 9. So simplify this, 11ck a power 11 minus k beta power minus k. Next, x power, this is 11 minus k, 11 minus 4k. So this would be minus 9. So 11 minus 4k is equals to minus 9. So 4k is equals to 20, k equals to 5. K equals to 5. Then it becomes 11C5. So a power 11 minus 5 means 6, beta power minus 5. So this is x power minus 9 quotient. Both are equal. After equating, this one will get cancelled. This is a power 6, this side a will be there. Beta 1 by beta na. I think beta also 1 by 6. So then I think alpha beta is equal to 1. So this implies alpha beta is equal to 1. So alpha beta whole square is equals to 1. Okay. So this is the question. Actually something they have given wrong information. This is the exact question. So x power 9 quotient from this expansion, x power minus 9 in this expansion, by equating those we got alpha beta whole square equal to 1. Okay, actually you adopt the procedure only. Okay, questions might be right or wrong, we don't know. Okay, because they are all memory based questions. Consider 3 coplanar vectors. A bar is equal to 3a bar minus 4j bar plus. So 3 vectors are given. Coplanar vectors, very simple. Very simple question. So simply you take determinant 3 minus 4 lambda, very easy question. 4 3 minus 1 1 3 minus 4. Expand it. So it is 3 into minus 12 plus 3 plus 4 into minus 16 plus 1 plus lambda into 12 minus 3 equals to 0. So minus 3 minus 9 minus 27 minus 60, I think 60 plus 9 lambda equals to 0, then 9 lambda is equals to 87. Okay, so I think for this is the last question it might be. Okay, I think everybody will be happy. Okay, thank you, bye.